Hey, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is some crochets. I am going to be showing you all some crochet locks. Let me grab the hair. So this video is sponsored by Ywigs. Thank you so much, Ywigs, for sending over this new hair. And the hair that I have today, it is their Goddess Locks, and the color that I have is 30, and the wave that I had, the texture I have is deep wave. These are their Crochet Boho Locs in 22 inches, and these do come with human hair ends. So the crochet, well, let me not open this one because I did get 3 packs. I got these 2 and one that I had already opened. So I left this out overnight just to see what it would look like out the pack and kind of just like resting overnight. So it comes with the synthetic hair is wrapped around to create the lock, and the human hair pieces are on the ends and throughout. So these pieces are human hair. So you can use your water, conditioner, whatever you want to use to get this these curls to pop and to, you know, maintain your curls. So these feel really, really good. I like the size of them. They're not too small, but not too big. I really like the size of these. So I did my normal braid pattern. When I do crochet braids and crochet locks, this is the braid pattern I tend to use. I keep the first braid out and I do the invisible technique for these. And then I do cornrows. Well, I do box braids and then I put them into a cornrow. So I'll part off the boxes and then I'll part off a very thin piece of hair, and then I'll part off the next boxes, and I will box braid each of these boxes, leaving the little thin parting space of hair out, because that's going to be my anchor for my cornrow. So when I start braiding the boxes together, I actually have 3 anchor points. I have the 1 box braid at the top, the 1 box braid at the bottom, and the anchor point from this thin amount of hair in the center. And I will take this piece out, because if you put this piece in, the braid will come on a diagonal and it'll call more attention to itself. So I keep this one out so that I don't have that diagonal to try to hide once I start installing the crochets. So you just put these together and then you just cornrow them back, okay? And then obviously you just cornrow everything together in the back. I always do 2 braids going across to alleviate the tension on the back of my neck. But hopefully it makes sense and you understand the reason why. The reason why I do this is so that, you know, the crochets will look like they're, you know, individual boxes, and it will also look like it will also not be as obvious. I've seen other girls just do where they interlace the braid, just going straight to the next braid, straight to the next braid, straight to the next braid. My hair is too thick to do that. My hair is thick, it's obvious. My hair is really dark, it's really thick. So by the time I'm interlacing braids together, going straight back, by like the 3rd braid, it's just too thick, it's too obvious, and it shows. Like, to me, it just shows. So this is my solution for that. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I'm about to just install these crochets as normal. You know, I don't do anything special to install these crochets. And if you have questions, let me know, and I will come back with my final thoughts. So I'm going to try my best not to do too much voiceover for this, but this is the back completely done. That took about 2 packs. So I had 1 pack to do the front of my hair. So for each box that I braided, I just added 1 crochet lock into there, and then for that middle cornrow area, I just added 1 lock wherever there was a bare or empty space to just cover up the cornrow. So for this one braid that's hanging in the front, I just went ahead and crocheted it 1 time. I crocheted my natural hair through the loop, pulled it so that it was snug, and then I started using my latch hook to go inside the lock. Now these are pretty tight, so it took a little maneuvering to get it through, but once you get it to the top, you can pull your own braid through, and if your hair is long, you may have to do this 2 or 3 times just to get your hair completely inside the lock. So this is the end result. I do wish I had 1 more pack of hair. That would have made this perfect because I would have been able to fill in more spots, but it was fine. It was a good density for what I needed. I went ahead and used water. This is just a regular spray bottle. I wet the hair to start to activate the curls, and then I used my mousse from GLEEmade. This is the styling foam, and I just ran that through the hair and I let it air dry. And that's pretty much the end result. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera to give my final thoughts. Alright, so this is the end result. I definitely love how it looks. It looks really, really cute. Even though it doesn't match my hair color, it still looks pretty good. Yeah, I love the hair at the end. It's human hair, so the hair is really good quality. I've used their human hair braids and locks before, so I definitely know the quality of this hair. I like the curl pattern of this hair for sure, and the length is really good. The last time I had hair from them, it was like 26 inches or something, really, really long, but this 22 is really nice. I think this is more, you know, of a realistic length. The last time I had the hair was really long. But I like my hair really, really long, so it didn't bother me. And again, the braid pattern that I did is versatile, so you could wear it to the side. You could wear it in the middle. Or you can wear it on the opposite side as well. Or you could wear it like half up, half down. I don't think you could do all up. Maybe if you did all up, you could do it with like a headband or something, or like a head wrap around it just to kind of cover the back a little bit. But this is the opposite side. Definitely have a lot of versatility with this, and it just looks really good. I like how this braid pattern looks. This braid pattern takes a little more effort, a little more finesse, but I think that the end result is totally worth it. These locks are really, really pretty. Perfect for the fall, for the springtime and going into summertime. This is definitely vacation hair. Like, this will photograph so well. You could swim in these 100%. You could swim in these. They can air dry because it's human hair. You don't have to worry about dealing with synthetic hair, knotting up, kinking up. You can brush this hair, wash this hair, shampoo it, condition it, and it bounces back after it gets wet. So this is not the type of hair you have to worry about. All right, you guys, I will leave the links to this hair and to a coupon code in the description box down below, as well as in the comments. And if I missed anything or you have questions about anything, definitely leave it down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. All right, see you in the next one. Peace.